I bet you say, what's she doing? Trying to cook a banana pudding. I don't know why I want banana pudding all of a sudden. I ain't even ate today, y'all.
Why she say cook?
I'm
Y'all
gonna
know
cook
she
banana
mean
pudding.
bake.
I'm gonna make me a banana pudding. Gonna cut up a little couple of bananas and make me a banana pudding. I usually don't use the Cool Whip like some people do the Cool Whip. I'm gonna use it this time. But then I gotta open bananas. My bananas came pretty good. I might make a rice pudding out of it because I got what I did do is got the instant vanilla jello pudding. The large box is 5.1 fluid ounces, and I normally get the smaller box. I did make some while y'all was out. I didn't get to share, but I made a rice pudding. The first one went off as a hit. It really did. It went off as a hit. It was gone before you knew it. It really was. So what I'm doing is slicing these up. I might just make a small and do the rest of it with rice pudding. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Yes, I'm doing 3 bananas at a time. It would be selfish of me if I just do it just for myself. Make a little small one. Wouldn't it be selfish, y'all? Don't share none with nobody. Just make what you call a miniature one. Now, me personally, I don't eat the booties.
What is she talking about? She don't eat the booties.
Still got
The
some more
booties
bananas.
is
These
the
aren't organic
end
bananas, even though I threw the label
of the
away.
banana. She doesn't
They're
like the
organic. I'm
ends
gonna
of
put
the
it in this little
banana.
dish. And you know what Cool Whip really does? And I did, I opened up the box upside down, but I had got the family size because I really like vanilla wafers. So what I am going to do is before I already pre-mixed the vanilla pudding. And what I'm going to do is go in and layer these cookies in here. Just going to make a little small pudding. And you know what I don't like is rotten bananas. And yeah, that's the thing you can do.
Don't y'all hate when them cooks always eat water cook?
I'm putting the top down. Leaving the open area. The reason you do that, I like vanilla cookies, is because you want to be able to lay the bananas on top of it and not let it be rocky. See how I have it? And what I do is I go right here, right here. I think I'm just gonna make a small one because I don't like what you call soggy bananas, rotten bananas. I like it when you buy them hard. A little bit hard, then the banana pudding lasts a little longer. I hate when the bananas turn brown. Ugh, that make me so gaggy. Maybe there's a reason it make me feel gaggy, but I do. But I wanted a banana pudding. I don't know why. Knowing these banana puddings gonna take me to the bathroom. And see, I still got no space. In the beginning, ain't got to have space. So what you do is, I got space for one more room. Then you turn back around, you turn it upside down, put it on top. You can do it the other way, but that's just the way I was taught. Everybody does theirs different. They banana pudding. And so far, I've cut up 3 bananas. And I have a dog that's sitting up here waiting, hoping that I drop a cookie on the floor for her. That's old Miss Diamond. She be waiting on us to drop food. Okay. I think I'm just going to make a 3-layer banana pudding. Dang, I had left the window open over here, and so little nits is coming in. I hadn't had a chance to close the window. Move. Shoot, 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 fly, shoot. See the butts I give to my dog. You can give dogs bananas in moderations. And you want to make sure the strings are off the banana. I don't like the little strings. Let me take this one off. You know what I'm talking about, the little strings. And so what I'm going to do is chop it. I'm going to turn it over. So you can do it either or to close it out.
The noise in the background is her son. He streams gaming, Flight Inc. Media. Oh, no, Flight Inc. That's his gaming name. And so he's always loud, but he don't think he is. He's in the back room.
And right down there. Open it up. And my dog's trying to call me mama. Make sure you don't have any strings. See those strings? Flavoring it makes a big deal in how your pudding tastes. Your banana pudding tastes. I just don't like a lot of bananas, y'all. Let me give the rest to my dog. You say, but Daddy, you must not be a banana. You must not be a banana lover.
Banana peels you can use for shoe shining leather. You can also cut it up and let it dry out, or you can just leave it in your garden or dice up in your plant for nutrition.
Make sure you can use this for like your gardening. They didn't tell you that. Shoe shining, different other stuff. Now this is the perfect stuff that my dog like. She loves it, not like it. She likes whenever we used to take her to Starbucks. So let me do this. I do it sometimes let the banana peelings dry out. And I always remember, I'm glad they still is up good. The cardboard, I always have the recipes on the opposite side. Voila. let me go for a moment. Okay, I'm back. So, since I'm back, I have this blender. This blender right here. I'm gonna sit this bowl over here out the way and this other stuff out the way, and I'm gonna bring my blender closer. I already made
Jello
like
instant
I told you,
pudding.
Was,
I didn't do the
Jello,
traditional one
and
that
it's
you
required
kind
3
of
cups
cook.
for a 5.1 ounce box. And now it's already pre-mixed. I'm always doing that, y'all. It's already pre-mixed. So what I'm doing is bring this back. It's already gelled. And yeah, I got a electric wasp. KitchenAid and other companies do have it. My dog is sniffing. She already noticed. Out, please. She already knows Cool Whip. This is her favorite. I'm gonna give her some. So she'll leave me alone. I dropped it on the floor, y'all. I'm gonna save a little something. Then what I'm gonna do is I missed her bowl. I've got to take some of the vanilla pudding now. I ain't gonna be making a white pudding. I didn't do this, but you can do. This is what you can do. Just take it out the bowl and make sure that it's doing it by hand. You want to make sure all the ingredients is mixed well. I love pudding anyway, and to add some Cool Whip in there just makes it more fluffier. The old-fashioned way is good as well. See how it makes it just fluffier? You put more Cool Whip in there and it make it more fluffier. So I'm gonna just pour this on top of the banana pudding. I'm really more into the pudding than into the bananas. And I had got a family size box, and I forgot to tell you what size. I got a what is it? An 8-ounce Cool Whip container. It's my grandson here. I want the bowl. I want the spoon. Me and him have a fight on the bowl and spoon, so you try to get as much as you can out. And you just cream it on up. I didn't want it too whippy. Some people make it real fluffy. That's delicious, y'all. That's just right. But what I used to do, since it didn't go down, I give it 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap. And it goes all the way around as long as you tap it. Now, this is something else that you can do. You can either, to make it have little crumbs on top. You know, they had little crumbs. The cookie crumbs, that's all it is. You break it up to give it a cookie crumb taste. You want a cookie? Yeah. And there you go. That's all. A quick instant vanilla pudding. I said pudding. This is an 8-ounce Cool Whip. I use name brand. You can use off brand. It does make a difference. It does make a difference in flavor. And I had a family size box. And believe it or not, even though it don't look like I did a lot, this is what's left in a family size box. So it ain't really a family size box when you look at a pudding this size. And remember, the Cool Whip give you the treats where you have different ingredients. Easy strawberry shortcake, cool and creamy mixed berry smoothie. Maybe one day I'll make that. Oh, you want the regular Cool Whip? I don't think so. I might get up there in the morning and want chocolate milk. And the next thing you do is you clean up your mess. That's what you do. You clean up your mess. You don't leave it out. So I'm gonna let these little banana peels go in this little empty box that I was gonna throw away on the porch. Sit them in here to dry it out. What I'll do is cut them up later. And this little plastic I had earlier, I'm throwing all my little stuff away in the little boxes. Put the rest of these cookies up. Somebody might want to nibble at nighttime. And oh, don't forget the knife. Put my knife in the water. And I'm gonna say thank you for watching me. Please subscribe and like. Oh, I can't go. Oh, y'all thought I was going. No, I cannot go unless I do the taste tester. You know, the cook always do the test. So if you wonder why it's always a fresh little dent in your desserts, delicious. Blame it on the cook. Make sure you put a lid on your container. This is just too good to put in the sink. Make sure you put a lid and cover your banana pudding up as much as you can. Some people use saran wrap, but if you have a lid, you can put a lid on it. And that's all, folks. Just make sure you subscribe. I bet you say that's why she can't get rid of that belly fat. But I don't eat desserts that often. But I love pudding. I just don't like banana
all,
pudding.
folks. Make
So
sure you follow. Thanks for watching the video.
That's why you see some people, they'll make banana pudding and they won't put bananas in. Or it'd be very little in there. It'd be a lot of cookies.